Hello, guys. You're welcome back again. Today is the Bitcoin ETF approved. I haven't checked. I just came back home and I got the news that the Bitcoin ETF is approved. I've seen Bitcoin trying to pump the upside, and um, Tellor is also doing amazing. I will be Tellor is also doing amazing today. I talk about this coin. I think today in one of my live stream today, and I mentioned that we are in a zone that we might expect a pullback because looking at where it is and where it was, there's a lot of liquidity to the upside that this coin might go to grab. And this Bitcoin ETF news has caused the coin to like be showing more upside trend. But let's just try to see. I don't know actually, guys, what is going on here. Let's go to Twitter so we can find out exactly what is going on. Let's see if say some of my Bitcoin ETF guys here have tweeted about the Bitcoin ETF being approved. Let's see. Mary Circle Beams suggests this 370 million in short liquidation. This is set saying. Okay, let's see. Breaking over 2 billion allocated by BlackRock for their Bitcoin ETF in week one of approval. Also, let's see. The SEC is expected to vote on spot Bitcoin ETF next week. No, it's not approved. Breaking. Let's see. If still we have some news here regarding the approval of the Bitcoin ETF. Cheaply, power off. No. BlackRock has 2 billion line up for wow, 2 billion line up for the Bitcoin spot ETF in the first week. That Matthew Singer, head of digital asset research. So let's just see, like you see, we have some recent stuff here because yeah, the chart of Bitcoin is telling us something like it's so volatile. I don't know what is going on, but let's just go to check on the charts immediately to see like what is going on and how we can take advantage of it. We know charts some other coins here that you guys are holding. So I don't know who is here with me. You are welcome. Yeah, guys, this is the Beton Crypto. Yeah, I create content to help you guys make profit in this space. I'm just is like an emergency live looking at the market, the pump. Bitcoin just did this. They just go to Bitcoin price and see this. But let's go to this is the let's go to the 15 minutes time frame so we can see this was like a huge pump to the upside, and immediately we have seen like huge sell pressure back to the down to this area, and now we are getting some volatility. Price also tried to break down and didn't succeed, which means investors or holders are holding here. And now we are seeing this wick trying to make itself to the upside. Price is trying now to go to the upside, even though we have seen this sell signal here on the alpha trend. I think we might see a buy signal printed here on the alpha trend. But let's just see how that goes. But having like looking at that, let's just look also at crypto bubble, which coins are doing like amazing. This is the the top 100 coins. So let's see which coins are doing great today. Actually, this is the past 15 minutes. Let's look for the day. Yeah, let's look for the past 15 minutes. Let's see which coins are actually doing well for the past 15 minutes. Okay, bunch of coins here are doing well for the past 15 minutes. Let's go to the top 200 coins to see which coins are doing well here for the past 15 minutes. You know, okay, for the past 15 minutes, it's like TRB is up 2% for the past 15 minutes. Power is up 1%, Metis is up 1%. It's not that significant, but it's good to see that Bitcoin is holding at least. Bitcoin, let's go to the top 500. Let's see which coins are killing it in the top 500. Looking at this Bitcoin ETF news, let's see which coins are actually doing so well, so great. Looking at this Bitcoin spot ETF, should I say fake breakout news? We're going to talk on Tellor and see what we might expect for price prediction for this coin. But let's look at it. Nothing much is happening, but I think looking at the chart, Bitcoin is looking to me, I think it's still looking bullish, right? But we might expect, like, guys, Bitcoin have to, let's go to the 4 hours time frame. If say you are holding some of these coins here, we might see the dip from here. It might happen today. Don't expect that this, like, because we have seen this massive week here. But I think what is going on right now on the 4 hours time frame, even though we have seen this huge sell signal printed here on the alpha trend, I'm waiting to see a buy signal printed on the alpha trend. So far as we see this sell signal here on the alpha trend, I think Bitcoin looks bearish, right, on the lower time frame. But if we go on the 4 hour and the 1 day time frame, I think Bitcoin looks bullish, because Bitcoin is still in this range, and also still on the 4 hours time frame, Bitcoin is still bullish to me. I'll say that. Looking at where it is, I think it's just moving sideways. It's just moving sideways. There's not yet any decision where the price want to actually go. But it's fascinating to see that Tellor is doing this. Let's try to chart this coin, and see what we might expect, or like for price action. Now, guys, looking at the 4 hours time frame, based on my indicator or how I go about trading, it's good to see that there was this huge should I say, we call it engulfing candle, right? Taking all this candle, right? And it's also good to see that if I measure half of that candle, let's see if I can measure half of that candle. It shows that um Tellor is trading above the middle section. Yeah, it's above the middle section. You can see here. Yeah, it's above, meaning the coin is bullish. But what I want to see is price should make its way above the 200-day moving average. If not, then I'm not gonna be like really like 100% bullish. Anything can happen. But if price now move above the 200 moving average, then we can say we should be that bullish. So now also let's look at this right now here. This is a 10-minute time frame. A 10-minute time frame, Bitcoin looks so bullish actually on 10-minute time frame. The alpha trend has printed this buy signal here. So, but I mean, guys, don't sell your altcoins. These altcoins have given you more opportunity to buy more. Don't sell now. You can only sell your altcoins when Bitcoin did what I mentioned in my live stream today. I mentioned that in my live stream today. When you should sell Bitcoin. Let's go to this. Let's see on this 10-minute time frame what Tellor is doing. TRB. You can see this huge pump here to the upside, and price came above this moving average, above this support area. Price has bound, and price is trying to move now, and point the alpha trend should print a buy signal. But I think looking at where price is right now for TRB, I think it's bullish. Looking at what I'm seeing right now, maybe we can see a huge buy week like that. But this 10-minute time frame is just not that more significant. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. You say we can see get some more data. Okay, on the 15-minute time frame, we can see that price is above this 20-day moving average, and price is above the alpha trend. So this is more confirmation for me that we are bullish for TRB on the lower time frame. And if we go to the 30 minutes time frame, okay, we have to break on the 30-minute time frame. We have to break and this resistance here. This resistance here. This is my indicator, and right now it's acting as resistance. We need to break and come back to retest it. Then maybe that's when we can say, okay, we are really bullish for this coin. But as it stands, anything can happen right now, because you can see looking at this level, I would say price is holding at this level here, this level. this is where the dip started, like the second dip. So price has to make its way above this zone and come back to retest this. So this is what price should do. If say you are holding this coin, this is what you should expect price should do. Price should break this zone, come back here, and touch this moving average before we can say, okay, now we are going to be bullish for this coin. And as it stands, I cannot really say much regarding it. But if we go to the 4 hours time frame, we can see here that there's a lot of liquidity that this coin have to the upside around this zone. And looking at the law of trading or law of price action, what I always expect or what always happen is when you see a huge dip from like a massive upside for months, price always will want to attempt to test the previous high. If price is not able to go and test the previous high, then price can keep going downward. So price have to go and test the previous high before price can go and start making lower lows. So if price is not able to make higher highs and price is making lower highs, then maybe we can go past this zone and break and make lower lows. But before such thing happen, price always attempt to go back, like, because there's a lot of liquidity here, there's a lot of orders here sitting here, liquidation. So I think we might see price go to that area, to that price, to that zone. That's the best thing, or the best yeah, should I say, direction that we can see price move towards. So I don't know what you guys think about this project or about the Bitcoin ETF. Are you still holding this coin? Are you like investing in this coin long term, or are you just trading the coin? Comment below what you are. Are you an investor of this coin, or you are a trader of the coin? Just let me know who you are when it comes to this coin. I need to know. Yeah. And also, um, let's see if still we can look at some other coins that are doing well today, like right now, or if not, then I want to take you guys to what I mentioned in my live today. I have gone live, I think, twice today already, and this is the third times I'm going live. But let's look at the total. Actually, Bitcoin dominance looks so bullish. Let's see if say Bitcoin dominance have broken trend. So I think to an extent Bitcoin looks bullish. Yeah, Bitcoin looks bullish. But let me go to what I want to say. This is the total market cap for crypto. Sorry, excluding Bitcoin. It is sitting at a critical support zone here, looking at this indicator. And you can see each time price come towards that indicator, towards this support zone, price always bounce to the upside. And price have done it again here. It bounced to the upside. Now price have come back there. So we want to see price close up, always close above. If price close below this indicator on the 4 hours time frame, then this might not be a good sign for us for altcoins. And if say we look at this for total market cap for all altcoins, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, I would say the same thing. You can see it's still doing the same thing. Let me see if I can get this. Yeah, it's the same price action. But what I'm seeing here on the lower time frame is this sell signal here on the alpha trend, which is not good for total market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. So we might see more bearish signal, or bearish more downside for most of these altcoins, which we have already seen. That's why we are seeing this sell signal printed there. But we want to see price bounce back. Guys, the reason why I'm taking time to show you all this is in correlation with whether you're going to be holding any altcoins or not, right? It's going to determine if you're going to be holding any altcoins or you're going to be in Bitcoin or not. You can see each time price come back to that zone, price always bounce, and price have come back this time. Price have kissed it. We will have to see price reject it. That's how I like what I need to keep saying before I can say, okay, we are in a massive or we are still in trend. But if say price break and try to come towards this zone, then I'm gonna think that we're gonna see more downside for other altcoins. This is very important, guys. If you understand TA, if you understand price action, then you're gonna like be confident enough to know or to predict where your price might go. And if price does that, and see what price need to do when the price goes there, before you can confirm with yourself or to yourself that okay, this is the time for me to buy more of this coin, or this is the time for me to just stay away from the market. Whatever the case is, it's very important you understand how to use most of these indicators, and these are free indicators. Except my own is free, of course. This is I designed this indicator myself. It's free, even though it's not yet like public, so you cannot go and just get it. You have to get it through me, right? But I love the indicator because it helps me to identify where the trend is in the market, and I use other indicators like the trend low also and the alpha trend to tell me when to buy, when to sell. After doing my analysis, so all this helps me to really make better decisions investing in crypto or the market in general. Now let's go back to this coin on TRB. Let's see what is going on here on the 4 hours time frame. Let me refresh this so we can get more data here. What is going on the lower time frame? This is the 4 minute time frame, yeah. So let me refresh this page. Let me refresh this page. For some reason, this is just free. This is just freezing for some reason. So let me refresh this page and see. Let me see. Let me refresh this. Okay, let me refresh this now. Okay, you can see, guys. Like I knew for sure that we're gonna move. Like at least, guys. Let me tell you something about this indicator. I've watched this indicator for a long time now, and I know when this indicator is right. So I know for sure that there are key areas of that when price come, move to us. I know I am gonna see some bounce back. This is this area, like the area, the moving averages, like this, the one that is in trade pair like this three pair, not three pair, like that is moving in three, right? Or triple indicator. They move together like as brothers or sisters and cousins, right? Always moving together. Now, whenever price get there from a huge pump like this, price always go to it. At least price will make its way to the to halfway, like towards where the sell signal was printed. Price must get there. And from where we are right now, if price goes there, how many percent you might make? Price is gonna go there. Price will go there. I want to make a video to show you guys that I was right. Price will come here before price. If price reject this zone, then price is gonna go back. That's about 82% movement. So price is gonna go more to the upside before we can see price move downward. So if the Bitcoin ETF is going to be approved, I'm going to look at this coin to actually make massive gains to the coin, like to just buy, because I know on the short term I can make quick gains with the coin. So guys, I'm not gonna do more. I just think maybe I'm gonna come here and meet some people who are live, but I think most of you are not available right now to trade with me. Well, if we look at Bitcoin still looks bullish, so it looks strong. No panicking, nothing so far. So you are good to stay in your altcoin and don't give up. Provided we are still above $40,000, nothing can stop us from getting back to or to get from getting to $42,000. But now, guys, one last thing I want to say before I go about Bitcoin, particularly the on the daily time frame. Let me bring this trendy low indicator so we can see exactly what I'm talking about Bitcoin. Like guys, pay attention to what I want to say next. It's very important if you want to stay in profit, investing in Bitcoin. Looking at the let me say, not this. Let me just try to get something else from here. Maybe I can get the indicator. Okay, this is it. So looking at the daily time frame, you can see here that we are losing momentum. We are forming divergence, yeah, for Bitcoin. This means that the volume of Bitcoin is declining, right? And we might see more downward movement than upward movement. Right, we can see some sort of quick retracement for Bitcoin to 36,000 or 35,000 price point. So in between 34,000, 36, and 35,000, we can see that retracement of Bitcoin towards that zone. Because I mean, there's a lot of imbalance. Yeah, price have to come and fill this gap, before we can say maybe price can keep moving back to the upside. Price have to come. At least price can come right down to 30K. We can see Bitcoin go right down to 30K, and when this happens, guys, you want to be ready to grab most of those altcoins because they're gonna go down like 1x. Trust me, they're gonna go down like 1x. All right, guys, that's it for now. If say something comes up, I'm gonna try as hard as possible to go live or do something for you guys. Always keep you guys updated with what is going on in the market. If say you haven't yet subscribed, do subscribe. You haven't yet shared this content or like this content ever in your life. Come on, why haven't you done so? If you haven't done so, then make sure you do just that right now. And you have to share this content with your friends, families, loved ones, the people who hate you. Just share this with them, and all will be fine for both of us, for everyone. Until then, guys, I wish you all an amazing, amazing, amazing weekend. Ciao. Bye bye.